The second season of the Earl Hall Show comes back December 7th. Just in a couple of weeks. It's under 1 month. We're going to be ready to go, right? And we're going to have new episodes every Thursday. We've got some heavy-hitting entrepreneurs coming up that are going to be sharing their stories with you, showing you how they came from where they started and how they've gotten to where they are. We're going to be talking about the struggles of just being an entrepreneur, being a thought leader, being someone that is actually out here trying to help others improve their lives. We've got authors, we've got coaches, entrepreneurs, mentors, all lined up, ready and able to share with you how you can take your business, your entrepreneurial venture from where it is right now to where it is that you want to be. Get inspired by their stories, because it's all about what we talk about on the Earl Hall Show, building your brand by sharing your story. I'll see you December 7th. Don't miss it.